sad. My life.
Ayan, yes.
Tinood.
Sister Glo, what could differentiates the Carmelite?
No, I was just wondering
From
let's
ours?
say, yeah,
Others.
say from
No,
the
other
Our foundresses. We have
Yes.
foundresses.
other founders,
Oh, yeah,
are the ones
of the
that
order, yes.
Is Saint Teresa of Avila.
Avila.
Ours is Father Chauvet.
French.
Yeah,
Spanish.
Louis Chauvet.
Most of the orders, I
Or
think
founded.
we're the only ones na lady. A mother foundress who founded also the men founded it.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Santa
That's
Teresa.
unusual.
Teresa of Avila.
That's quite unusual.
Order, yes. Yes.
She was really the first feminist in the church.
Yes.
The
First
first woman
feminist.
doctor.
Yes.
Makes sense.
Don't let Dominicans
Hear that.
hear that because St. Catherine of Siena
Because
together.
they all, yes.
we were supposed to, Teresa was supposed to be first, but the Dominicans didn't like it, so St. Catherine of Siena.
It's
Together.
very funny, really. I don't
That's a
know.
church politics, you know.
Yeah.
Anyway.
The church is nuts.
Yes. Yes, period.
Politics in the
No,
church is really
for me, that proves that Catholic Church is the true
Alive.
church, alive, the true church.
Up to now.
Because all the scandals that we have, we're still here.
Yeah, yeah.
Other denominations, if they have that, then they perish.
They pulled
Yes.
up.
But the church, we have reached down.
Down,
With our
down there.
sinfulness, we're still here.
with all the scandals in the church.
And actually, the present Pope is very
Ah,
charismatic.
he is.